Hey y'all, it's Mary, and my Ipsy Glam bag finally came. Almost July by the time I got it here, y'all. I don't know why it took so long. But let me start off by telling you what I'm wearing on my eyes and my lips. I have on the Tarte Maneater palette. This is the After Dark, Maneater After Dark. I love this palette. It's stunning. And you can get so many looks out of this palette. Day, night, all kinds of stuff. I think many looks out of that palette. Love it. And then on my lips, I am wearing Hourglass, and this is in the shade I Am. So how this works, there it is. I Am. Very pretty, and this is refillable. This can come out and you can put others in. So very beautiful lippy. Okay. And I have an add-on. So on June 1st, I've already looked in here just to make sure it was in here and that it wasn't damaged. On the 1st of the month, we customize for Boxycharm. And then you do add-ons. And once you're out of there, that's it, it's gone. You don't get to get back in there unless you have Glam bag, then you can do add-ons. But I think you still can't get in there. I couldn't get back in there at all. When you do add-ons for Glam bag, you can get back in there. It's a little complicated, but I'll tell you about it when I get. Let me look at the Glam bag. Let's look at the Glam bag and we'll go from there. Okay. Okay. Here's the actual Glam bag in here. Okay. So I didn't look at this yet. Okay, Camille, behave. It's hard for her. It's hard for her to behave. All right, let's see. I do have a card, which is nice. Sunny days ahead. I'm sure y'all have seen this card a million times. This month, we've delivered everything you need for a sun-kissed glow all summer long. Oh, my items are in here. Yay! And then it shows on the back what's coming, in July. So this bag, I think everything I have is in this bag. I'm surprised by this bag because I have seen it, of course, everywhere. And I didn't know it was this material. I thought it was just the usual, pleather. But this is like neoprene, like a wetsuit. It's super cute. There's the Ipsy tag. It's really great and colored for summer. And look at this cute pull tab, y'all. Really cute. So let's see what I got. I know what I got. Well, I shouldn't say that. I did, we picked one thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. I only have 4 things. Well, I only have 4 things. So, y'all, I looked at my card to see what I'm missing. And this is why they tell you to always look in your bag, which I thought I felt in there, but there's something else in this bag. It's a brush. That's why I didn't see it. So always double check your bag because I thought I was missing something. But I'm not. Okay, so we'll start off with that, okay? It's sticking out of the plastic a little bit. This is Chica brand. This is a nice handled brush, Chica Beauty. So this would be considered full size, and this is a $10 value. Chica Beauty eyeshadow shader brush. It's pretty. It's like a copper. Time to pack on the color with this eyeshadow brush designed to help you build coverage on your lids. Its unique shape and dense bristles intensify color effortlessly for vibrant eye looks with expert level results. So it feels nice. It feels pretty nice. So that is nice. I like the weight of the handle is nice. And it does say eyeshadow blender. Where is it? It says Chica on there. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, $10. So the Glam bag is $14 plus $1.99 shipping and handling. They call it handling. Free shipping, right? I think that's what it is. I forgot to look because I was excited to see that it came. So let's move on. I also got this Frank Body. So I don't like these packages. I don't like them. I don't know why, but I don't. But it's all right with me in a sample. But when we have full size, I don't know why I don't like these, but I don't. To me, they're not easy to get everything out. Of course, you can cut it to get everything out. This is Frank Body Rosehip Body Scrub and Cleanser. Looking for a body scrub that's gentle but effective? Look no further, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, the full size would be $22 and 250 grams. This is 30 grams. So it's I'm a 2-in-1 melting body scrub with exfoliating sugar. It does feel really good in there. It is a cute little pouch. So why? I don't know why. It's a good size. I think it's a good size for a deluxe sample. And then I have this super itty bitty. How cute is this though? This is Benefit Cosmetics Blush Tint in Pure. P-U-R-R-R-R. It is, Camille just went through here. So I've got for me. A full size would be $24. So when I saw this, I thought it was a lippy. I'll show it to you. It's really super cute. It's in the color Purr. I forgot I had already just said that. P-U-R-R-R-R-R-R. How cute is that? That is stinking cute, y'all. Benefit Cosmetics. Let's see how this opens. So that is adorable. It's a blush. It's time to treat your, oh, it does say lips. It's time to treat your lips to a 5-star experience they deserve. The Rose Pink Lip Tint. I'm sorry, I misunderstood. It has a plush matte finish and soft focus blurring effects. Okay. I have something else on me that I swatched earlier that I thought I washed it off. But this is pretty. Oh yeah, I like that. It smells good too. I don't know why, but it's, I do smell makeup. I do. But I love that. It's adorable. Very pretty. Very pretty. Okay. And then we got, oh, I forgot to tell y'all. I chose, of course, the palette. I am so disoriented. I apologize. I'm all over the place. When you go in to, for Glam Bag, when it's time for Glam Bag, which is sometime, I don't know. They changed, it's not a specific date. Boxycharm is the 1st of the month. They changed that to the 1st of the month. Glam Bag is different dates. So maybe around the 15th to the 20th, I think. You get to choose one product. So I did choose the palette. I could choose the JLo Beauty Serum, Sophie and Mabel. There was a 2-shade. It looked like an eyeshadow to me. There was Yensa Beauty Serum. There was Ace Beauté Liquid Eyeshadow. There was this Sleek Heat Serum. There was Galactic Sugar Face Scrub, which I got the full size of that in Boxy not too long ago. There was a Tony Moly Toner, and there was the Chica Beauty Brush. So I picked one, and there was this palette. I picked this, and I got 2 other things from that list. So I'm not mad at that at all. This is Silk 'E. It's a heat defense serum, and it's in a little dropper bottle, so that'll be interesting. I do use a hot iron, so something that keeps my hair from frying is a good idea. And that is, of course, a deluxe sample. The full size of that would be $21, 50 mLs. This is shrink wrapped. It's 0.3, it's 10 mLs. So 1/5 of what the bottle would look like. So that's interesting. And then I got the Formula Z palette, which I think everybody got, because they do offer a couple of full-size items. So I will always pick a palette, always. And if not, no palette available, I'll pick a full-size item for sure, because that makes the box. This is $32 value, so that doubles what I paid for it. So it's very cool. Formula Z packaging is a lot like this all the time. This is called Glasgasm Pro Artistry. This is a face and eye palette. So it is pretty. I've seen many people open it. I hope you'll stay for my add-on because it's really cool. This is what it looks like. I do have a couple of Formula Z palettes and I like them. They're small. This is very pretty. There's some shadows in there, and then, you know, bronzer, I guess you could use it as a shadow or a bronzer, right? And this maybe it's a peachy, maybe like a blush, and maybe a, you know, I forgot a contour. So I don't know. I don't do bronzer, I don't do contour, but it's a pretty little palette. Says it's valued at $32. That sounds a little bit high priced to me. All right, so my add-on that I couldn't get on Boxy, Couldn't get it on Boxy. What happened is I put it in my cart, and then it said, are you done? Because I customized. And you click, I forgot exactly how it says it, but you know, proceed or whatever it was. And then what happens is it tells you the total because I added on, so it'll tell you the total. And then you get an email that confirms your add-on. Well, that didn't happen. That part didn't happen. It went away from that screen and back to the sale items. So I'm like, well, that was weird. So I waited for the email and I didn't get the email. So after a little bit, I started to panic. And I went back in and I couldn't get back in. And I emailed them and they said, you know, they're very polite. They don't understand English. They speak English, but they don't understand American English. They didn't understand that I was in a fright of a situation. I was very upset. I'm like, I have to have that add-on. They're like, well, there's a lot to shop for. You can get something else. The add-ons are closed. Your add-ons are closed because you finalized. And I said, no, because they've done that to me before. I said, I'm not taking that this time. I said, because this is the add-on. It's a Huda Beauty palette. This was $25. This is I forget, is it $69 full price? It's $85 for these. It's a $70 palette. This came with it, a $15 brush. This is an $80 or $85. Now, I don't remember exactly. This could be $75. I forget. It's expensive. And it was $25. I don't care one thing about this brush, but it is a nice brush, I guess. It is a precision blend. It is a nice brush. I like it. It is Shades by Shan. It says it's worth 15 bucks. So this, I think, was 80 or 85. So this is a $70 palette. This is Empowered by Huda Beauty. And they said that I couldn't get in there again. Well, I kept going in, and then finally it was there for, the add-ons were there, so I did it. And by that time I did it, and I got the receipt. It said at finals, it was $27 with the tax. It said it was final. I got an email, and then I got an email from Ipsy again saying that they tried to get me in, blah, blah, blah. And I said I was able to get in. So I don't know what they did, but they fixed it for me and let me get in. So I'm super excited. And I know that was a long story for not much information, but this is gorgeous. It's Huda. It's $25, y'all. It was $25. So this is it. This is the Empowered palette. I haven't heard the very best things about this palette. I've heard some not very nice things about the palette, but I want to try it for myself. For $25, I can't pay full price, but I can pay $25. So this is it. It's gorgeous. The inside, her palettes are always so beautiful. This Manifest has like a river through it there. And look at this one that's mixed up. It's beautiful. So I will do a swatch party on this palette on another video. I'm just super surprised it was in here. I really am, because I thought they were gonna just say that it was sold out and give me my money back. So I'm really excited to have it. I want you to know this is how it came wrapped. It was in this bag with the brush. It was in this large bag. My Glam bag was in here. Everything was in the Glam bag that was in here. This was in this big bag, and this was thrown in here just like this. So how it got to me without being broken, but I don't know. Not from Ipsy. Ipsy doesn't like to package things, but it got to me in perfect shape. So thank you so much, Ipsy. Thank you for letting me get this. I'm so excited. And y'all, thanks for stopping by and seeing what I got in my Ipsy. I'm glad if you're still here, say hey or something, because I know that you've already seen every Glam bag out there. So thank you for watching my video, and y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.